At the heart of the Caribbean, where history and modernity meet, stands Astivik Shipyard, the benchmark of the naval industry in Colombia and the Caribbean. With over 52 years of expertise, Astivik has built a solid reputation, establishing itself as the leading private shipyard in Colombia and one of the most prominent in the Caribbean. Our lifting capacity, supported by state-of-the-art dry docks and specialized hangars, allow us to meet the needs of a wide range of national and international clients. At Astivik, we are committed to environmental conservation and customer satisfaction, continuously improving our processes. We operate ISPS certified facilities, hold ISO 9001-2015 quality certifications, and adhere to international standards set by IACS classified societies, ensuring excellence in every project. Our adaptability, client-centered approach, and dedication to creating comprehensive value distinguish us in the industry. Our engineers are devoted to optimizing every resource and delivering customized solutions that meet the highest standards, ensuring reliable, efficient, and sustainable results. At Astivik, we understand our clients' needs. We offer maintenance, repair, construction, and modernization services that guarantee quality, efficiency, and profitability. Our skilled team and innovative technical solutions inspire confidence and consistently exceed expectations. Astivik Shipyard, where quality, innovation, and experience sail together. Contact us today and discover how we can elevate your vessel to the next level.